It's another edition. This is going to be a video on fresh on the flight. So real quick, the wife and I are taking a quick little vacation. We're going down Florida for a little minute. My mom got the kids for the whole week. We don't get this opportunity very often. This is what I wear on airplanes, right? Jordan sweatsuits was like the big thing to wear, right? Like Jordan sweatsuits and some J's was like, that was the flight fit all day long. Got a little older and you begin to realize like, well, it's summertime. I can't wear a sweatsuit in summertime, right? Because it's obviously freaking 80 degrees outside. And when I'm going to be 80 degrees, it's like 75 here in Columbus, Ohio today. So you can't be just rocking full sweatsuits. However, you do need to make sure that you are protected from possible air conditioning in the airplane, but yet have something that's breathable so that you actually can, be comfortable on the flight and all while be fresh. Here we go. So off the bat, I'm rocking on this flight. We are taking out the Saucony Foo Fights, comfortable, stylish, low top. They're crazy, but they match a lot of stuff because the tones, right? There's so many colors in it, but you can pull off these tones with a lot of different outfits. So I got the nice crew socks, always keep some crew socks. I think these right here is actually from Old Navy. Go figure that. Had a gift card to Old Navy for whatever reason, and I spent like, I don't know, I got a couple packs of tube socks, ankles, whatever you want to call them. Crew socks, excuse me. Next up, we got the Brooks Brothers sweatpants shorts. These are a pair of shorts I love very, very much. They're thin sweatpants shorts. I'm not a big fan of big, bulky sweatpants shorts. I like my sweatpants themselves heavy, but not the shorts. Because you're typically wearing them with a t-shirt that you don't want it to be all bulgy and clunky looking. It just looks tacky when your pockets all flopping over the place. It's disgusting. So, got those. These are a little bit longer, give me more breathability, comfortability, and also it goes very well with this long sleeve white tee I got from Woosah. If I'm going to wear a longer baggier shirt, it's cool to go ahead and wear a little bit baggier sweatpants. This on the flight will give me room to breathe. This will give me room to stretch out a little bit so I'm not all tight in the seat. The seats themselves are already kind of tight enough. It don't matter if you're first class, whatever the case may be. You want some space. You want to be able to breathe a little bit. So that's what we're going right here. Quick little Washington Wizards fitted. Actually it's a snapback. I love snapbacks. I don't really wear fitteds too often, hardly ever, because I'm bald. And if I don't shave my head, this is for all my bald people who's struggling, right? If you don't shave your head, that hair follicle pop up a little bit. So that size 7 1/4 might be like a 7.5 now. So I always buy snapbacks because they're just comfortable and I can always adjust them for if my hair is growing back and I don't shave my head in time. But you without bald, you don't get that struggle, all right? Quick little accessory as well. I got my OG G-Shock. This is the Mr. Cartoon joint. Look, I copped this, I don't even know how long ago. It had to be 15, 20 years ago. Mr. Cartoon is a tattoo artist out of California, if I'm not mistaken. He's had so many collaborations with Nike, Air Force Ones, and this watch is so timeless to me. Works perfectly fine. Date time is fully correct, and we fresh. We fresh, but we not doing too much. But we doing it, right? It's this line you gotta cross of like fly and flashy, because you with your wife or you with the kids. So you want to be fresh, but you do too much. You look like the dude that's just selfish. Like you got all these clothes and sneakers, and your family looking average, and you like, this not a good look. So you gotta be careful. You bring them up with you off that, but you gotta be able to have that nice dad, clean, cool fashion that's gonna be able to, compliment the fam. You know what I'm saying? So that's what we got. Full fight Saucony, nice tube sock. Get you some nice thin gray sweatpants shorts. You know what I'm saying? A little baggier. You don't have to get them all super snug. These are probably 7-inch inseam. They go right to the knee. They might drop to about 7.5 because I'm not, necessarily pulling a drawstring all day. A nice, comfortable, breathable, long sleeve tee, because I like to have my arms covered, you know what I'm saying? I don't want to get that sunburn too crazy. But there it is. Going on a flight, quick little vacay for me and my wife. To say we deserve it, to say we need it. Deserving is different. To say we need it is an understatement. Love the kids. I'll miss y'all, see y'all when I get back. But this is a flight fit. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. As always, like, comment, subscribe to the channel. Look, man, get your mind right. You know what I'm saying? We moving. You better be a part of the situation. I'm trying to tell you. Because look, you know what? No, just watch. You ain't got to look. Just watch. I'll see you guys next time. And as always, guys, peace.